Guess what, you guys? It's snowing! I told you guys. I told you guys yesterday that it looked like it was going to snow. It's snowing! It's snowing! Oh. This is so exciting to me. Okay. So you guys, today is the 13th, and you remember I told you guys that I was going to be taking you guys to my dermatologist appointment to get my acne checked. Well, bummer, I couldn't make it. One, because it's snowing. Well, partially because it's snowing. Secondly, because it was way too early in the morning and I couldn't make it. I just couldn't make it, so I had to move the appointment. Hopefully we're able to get in January because it's so hard to get, you guys. The dermatologist appointment is so hard to get. Like, we get it like once every month, you guys. It's crazy. But yeah, that's the situation. It's snowing, so let's go for a walk. A snow walk. When you're Nigerian, these things excite you, okay? So, yes, everywhere is so wet. I'm not up for this. But this is so much fun. Look at my hair. It's snowing. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. Whoop, whoop. But yeah, I'm going to take you guys to a little bit of I don't know, somewhere that I'm just walking at this point. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing, but the things that I do for you guys. So let me show you guys what's going on right now. Wow, look at my house. My house is a snow.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
So I just got home and I'm about to make myself this hot chocolate. There we go. My hot chocolate is ready. Yes. So I just finished breakfast. I'm about to start baking some chocolate deliciousness.
The only one. I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one.
So I'm done with the cake, guys. This is what it looks like. The lighting in here is bad. Our lighting is very bad, but yeah, this is what we've got. So yeah. Oh, look at that. So much sweetness. Yum.